Welcome to this step-by-step guide on changing font colors for paragraphs, words, and headings in WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate the WordPress interface, access your site editor, and make visual changes to your text with ease. Begin your process by launching your browser and heading over to your WordPress site. Once you are on the main page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you will find a login option. Click on the login option to proceed to your account access page. This initial step ensures that you are working within a secure and authenticated environment before making any changes to your site. After clicking the login option, a new screen appears inviting you to sign into your account. Instead of entering all of your login credentials manually, you have the convenient option of clicking on the Continue with Google button. When you do this, you will be prompted to choose your Google account from a list. Selecting your account will sign you in faster and more efficiently, allowing you to focus on editing your website content. Once logged in, your WordPress dashboard welcomes you with various options and controls. In this area, locate the Quick Links section, a handy tool for immediately accessing the most frequently used features of your site. Within Quick Links, look for an option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site navigates you directly into the site editor, where you can personalize the look and feel of your website. Within the site editor, your next objective is to select and highlight the text that you want to alter. Find the text block on your page and click on it. With your mouse or touchpad, highlight the specific text that you would like to change. This highlighting action is essential because it tells WordPress exactly which text block you intend to modify. After you have highlighted the text, turn your focus to the right side of the editor. There you will see the settings panel, which provides a range of formatting options for the selected content. At the top right of this panel, click on the settings icon. This panel gives you the ability to customize the block beyond just the content itself, including its design and layout details. Within the settings panel, move over to the block tab. This part of the panel is dedicated to adjustments related to the entire block rather than its individual elements. After you access the block tab, scroll down until you locate the color section. The color section contains various options that allow you to change both background colors and text colors. When you are in the color section, look for the option that corresponds to text color. Clicking on this option will bring up a palette of color choices. Here, you have the creative opportunity to select the color that best matches your website's overall design, or that provides the ideal contrast and visual appeal for your text. As you choose from the palette, the font color of your selected text will update immediately, offering you a real-time preview of the changes. By carefully following these instructions, you are now able to change font colors on your WordPress site in a clear and efficient manner. This method not only helps in enhancing the visual appeal of your content, but also improves readability and overall user engagement. Enjoy the process of customizing your site further as you explore additional options within the WordPress editor.